Hello, dude and dudettes. Lost in Stupid Garage. Right up the gate. No, I do not get paid for any of this. This is all my own funds. So, this is a new set of tools that I bought. It's by this company right here. I am sure there are many other companies providing these things. You get 9 pieces in the box. It's brand spanking new. You have a swivel jaw spring wire clamp clip pliers. That would be that one. You have a swivel jaw band clip pliers. You have right next to that a flat band hose pliers. Next to that you have a C or click R collar pliers. You have a hose removal pliers. Next to that, you have a hose clamp pliers. And next to that, you have an angled flat band hose clamp pliers. You have a hose removal pick tool, and at the end of that, there is a pick / screwdriver tool, multi-purpose. So those are the things that come in this kit. I'm hoping that will be able to help me on Project GFB. I've got a clamp that's in a really weird position. That would be the one I'm pointing to, way over yonder. I'm hoping that will help. So, questions, comments, concerns, likes, subscribes, put them all down below. You know what to do. And you have a great and glorious day wherever you are in the world. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.